Hello, everyone, and welcome to Sacred Silhouette with Tanya Denise. Listen, this is not your ordinary video. I have another collaboration with babalabags, and so I want to show you this beautiful loop Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, so here we go. It comes in, here we go with the duster again. And when you see this beautiful bag, oh my gosh, you're going to love it. So here it is. This is the loop Louis Vuitton bag, just like the last one. Very real, very beautiful. Turn around to the back. This is what you see. Isn't it so beautiful? This chain actually is not attached to another bag, but it just brings out the style of the bag. Okay, so I actually really like this one as well. You can also wear this one as a crossbody, or you can put it on your shoulder, whatever you prefer. But I just wanted to show you this bag from babalabags. So if you would like to purchase this, just click the link in my description and use the discount code that is attached. Okay, so once again, babalabags, Louis Vuitton, so beautiful, so beautiful. I actually love the color. I love just all the things about this. So if you would like to purchase, grab it, click the link, and have a good one. Thank you so much, babalabags, for the collaboration. Have a good one. Until next time, bye.